Well, hold on now. We got a man of literature.
Hold on now.
What's that? Tai Zonday. Knowledge.
hell.
Got a lot of knowledge.
Can we look for the
Oh,
verb?
yeah.
Not Tai Zonday.
Here in my
What's his
garage.
name? What's his name?
Tai Lopez.
Tai Lopez. Got a lot of knowledge here in my garage.
He said Tai Zonday, which is and chocolate rain. I'm looking at it going, where the fuck is the chocolate rain?
Secret to yo, but there are binders. No way there's Pokemon cards in there. Right?
No way.
Don't get me excited.
This person was born before the first Pokemon card was printed.
That's
If it's not,
insane.
it's that book
They could be
binders.
baseball cards.